First of all, season your steak both sides with salt and pepper. And I'm just going to wash my hands because I don't want to get any of that meat juice on my pepper mill. So our steaks are now seasoned and ready to fry. Turn your stove on high. And add some vegetable oil to your pan. Once the oil's hot, then you can add your steaks ready to fry. Gently add the steak to the frying pan. Look at the way we're putting the steak in. So if we flip the fat, it goes away from you. At this point, do not shake the pan under any circumstances. Do not move the pan. Do not approach the pan. And we're going to fry these for at least 1 to 2 minutes on this side until we have a golden brown. This will give us flavour and also seal the juices in. So once they're ready, we're just going to flip them over. Again, you can see I'm not shaking the pan at all. Our pan should be hot, but not too hot, so we're looking at about a medium heat. For a medium rare ribeye, we want to roughly give them about 3–3.5 minutes either side. This all depends on the quality of your steak and how long it's been hung, etc. Make sure the steak is at room temperature before you put it into the pan. Once they're done, remove them from the pan. And then we're going to leave them to rest on a warmed plate for at least about 5 minutes. Then serve with your favourite garnish. Chips, onion rings or tomato.